Today we'll be working on 8A, problem solving. Mrs. Lynch planted 7 flats of begonias. Each flat contained 32 plants. Which equation can be used to find B, the number of begonias she planted? So B is our variable. We're trying to solve for our variable. So we create our UPSI model. So this is the understand, plan, solve, and evaluate. So on the understand part, we'll create our strip diagram. So now we underline our question. Which equation can be used to find B, the number of begonias she planted? So we know that she planted 7 flats of begonias, so we need to know that she planted. And each flat contained 32 plants. And we want to know B, the number of begonias she planted. So we want to know how many begonias she planted in those 7 flats. So we still don't have a total. And that's going to be our variable, B. These are the number of begonias planted. We know she had 7 flats, so we create 7 flats right here. So it makes 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 flats. And there's 32 plants in each one. So if I was to add all of those together, 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32, that would get the total amount. But we don't see anywhere here where they're doing repeated addition. I could also go, there's just the same amount 7 times. So we can go 32 7 times. So we can go multiply 7 times 32. So our operation will be multiplication. Now our method, what are we going to multiply? We're going to multiply 32 and 7. Now our number sentence would be 32 times 7 equals B, the number of begonias planted. Now my process, what are we looking for? We're looking for the product of 32 and 7. So they're asking for our equation. Which equation can be used to solve that? And we look down here, we have our equation right here. 32 times 7 equals B. Or we can reverse the B, put the B before that. We can go B equals 32 times 7. So we know we're not going to add 7, subtract 7. We're going to multiply 7. So now we just solve. There's 32 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Regroup the 1. Then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. So she planted 224 begonias. The question is, how many begonias she planted? $224. How do we know? Because 32 times 7 equals 224. And now you work on B.